This is literally one of the most effective yet simple methods that you can use in order to help you stay consistent at literally doing anything. Hi, I'm Laksana, just an average person who is trying to be consistent. I wake up every single day and do 100 push-ups before 5:30 a.m. every single day, and it's fully documented on my Instagram. You can just check it out. This is July 21st, 2025, and this is going to be day 378 of consistently helping people build consistency. So the thing that you want to be doing here is to basically DM or personally message one of your close friend or one of your close family member, the ones that actually cares about you. You just basically ask him or her politely that, hey, can we meet? I want to tell you something important. Okay. So basically the thing that we want to be doing here is that we are going to be arranging a meeting, and basically we are just going to be telling them the urgency of the thing that we wanted to be consistent at. Okay, so for example, hey bro, I just, go to one of my friend, right, and just tell him that, man, bro, I really wanted to exercise consistently because this is something that's really important. I'm pretty sure you are going to agree. I want to be able to maintain my health. I want to be able to look good. I want to be having some self-discipline for myself. And also, I want to be respected by other people. But I always struggle to stay consistent at exercising. That's the problem. Okay, so we just basically be honest with our friend or our family member and basically just be honest. Okay, be honest about our struggle. How do we feel about the problem? And basically just ask for their feedback. And at the end of the meeting, you are going to be telling him or her that you are going to commit to something. Okay, so for example, here's the thing. Hey, bro, since you are the one that I really trust, okay, and I also wanted to be trusted by you. I do not want to make you disappointed, and I also do not want to make myself feel disappointed. Well, from today's on, I'm going to be creating a commitment of, basically just create on a small but realistic long-term commitment. So for example, for the next 90 days, I'm going to be doing 5 minutes of stretching every single day in order to maintain my health, to maintain my posture, and be healthy. Okay, so the key here is to basically just tell all your problems, be honest, and then create on a small but realistic long-term commitment to him or her. This way, even on the days when we are not feeling motivated to do the thing, big chances we are still going to be showing up anyway, because hey, we already created a commitment to the person that we really trust, that he or she is caring about us. Okay, we do not want to disappoint him or her, and we also do not want to disappoint ourselves. He or she wanted us to actually succeed in our goal, and we know that for sure. Okay, so this is going to be a really powerful motivation, even on the days when you are not feeling motivated to do your thing. Okay, you do not want to break the commitment. You have this moral obligation to basically show up every single day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Join our Discord. And also for today's date, I'll the post. Today's July 21st, 2025, and today's memes are posted today. Pen in an example /24 hours GMT +7, but this video might be uploaded like 1 or 2 days from now because I do not have an editor. Thank you.